What's up guys, I am currently at this place called UTM trail. It's a small hiking trail near University of Toronto, Mississauga. It's like a nature walk and on my side is the Credit River. Actually this trail is not maintained. There was a notice that you have to be careful. It's covered with snow and the trail is kind of slippery. These are normal sneakers. If you do not have proper grip, then it is very slippery. It's close to 4 o'clock right now. It's a beautiful, see the sun is about to set.